Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make WordPress e-commerce website only way. Start by choosing hosting optimized for WordPress, install WordPress, then add WooCommerce and a responsive theme. Configure store settings, taxes, and shipping zones carefully. Add product categories, products, images, and clear descriptions. Set up payment gateways and test transactions in sandbox mode. Secure the site with SSL, backups, and a security plugin before launching to customers. Design the site with simplicity and focus on conversions, using clear calls to action and minimal clutter. Ensure product images are uniform and load fast, and write concise descriptions that highlight benefits. Use consistent typography, colors, and spacing to build trust. Add breadcrumbs and filters so shoppers find items quickly. Test the checkout flow for friction and reduce steps to lower cart abandonment and increase completed sales. Drive traffic and sales by combining SEO, email, and paid ads into a cohesive plan. Capture emails with welcome offers and recover carts with automated messages. Publish useful content around product use and solve buyer questions to rank better. Run targeted social ads for best sellers and retarget visitors who left without buying. Monitor analytics and iterate on pages that underperform to steadily grow revenue and customer retention over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.